bunch of people. I'm famous. Getting famous.
They send you extra.
You're good.
Where's yours?
Mine's over here. I'll get it.
Well, no one else is gonna get it for you.
This one.
I
wrote a B.
This isn't how we do the intro to my video, and you're not in the intro, so go over there.
Do you want to switch sides?
Why? No, I want to be on that side.
Why?
Because I can see myself. Here. Not that one. Carly! Look what you did! Carl! What were you doing?
Mirror, mirror on the wall. Why, oh why did you fall? Because of Carl.
Culprit. Hey everyone, so my last video was about this 0.25 dermaroller, and I said in that video that I would find a 1mm dermaroller to show you guys how that one works, and I found one. It took like 30 days to get one because they're almost impossible to find because they're for professional use only. So to make things more fun and of course interesting, I'm not there yet.
Oh, that's right.
I'm gonna have Ben do this review / demonstration with me. So how long did it take for you to find these?
I looked for a while. I looked online. I ended up finding them on Overstock. They're actually fairly cheap, but they came in these fancy little packages. This is kind of nice.
Okay.
This is the only brand I could find that actually had a 1mm like this.
This is a lot more intense than the other one. I didn't realize.
Yeah. It's pretty.
I'm super nervous to do
It's
this.
pretty big.
I've seen people bleed. I don't know. So, okay, but before we can even do this, we have to soak these in alcohol. I read that it had to be 75% or higher. I guess we can soak ours together. Yeah.
It's brand new.
And then we need to wash our faces, and then you also have to tone your face with alcohol because you're supposed to bleed and it's supposed to cut into your flesh. So, alright, we're gonna prepare to do that and then we will be back. Okay, so the dermarollers are clean, faces are clean. Rubbing alcohol all over my face, I don't think that's good to do.
No, that can't be good. That was painful. It just hurt.
Burning my nostrils.
My eyes.
I feel like my face is gonna crack off. Alright, crack off. Alright, let's go.
Okay.
I'm really nervous.
What's the pattern here?
Vertically, horizontally, and diagonally.
Okay, and that's with the 0.25, and then with a 1mm like this.
You're only supposed to go vertically and horizontally,
Okay,
not
so only
diagonally.
vertically, only
And you're
horizontally.
supposed to pick up after each roll.
Don't roll back down.
No, pick up. Okay, ready? I don't want to do this.
Get some more light here.
I'm really scared. Alright, I'm just gonna start.
Does that hurt?
Forehead's worst.
Oh gosh.
Even
Okay,
with the
I'll do
2.5,
one. I'll do one.
the forehead was the worst. No, like you have to do all of it.
Do you have to like push down?
Yeah, can I do it to you?
No.
Ew, I see it indenting into your forehead.
Oh yeah. I could feel that. I'm already getting red.
Okay, look at this.
We're going
Alright.
to the gym after this, are we?
Yeah, we are going to the gym after this.
Good.
But not right after. We gotta let
Good.
it settle in.
It's gonna be sweet.
Okay, so tell everyone what the point of this is. The point of the 1mm.
So
Two.
anything, I think up to, actually I don't remember 100%, but I believe anything, 0.25, 0.5, 0, they're basically just for added benefits to whatever your topical stuff is in the bathroom, right? So if you're putting lotion on, if you use the 0.25 or the 0.5, that's what those are for. Anything, and then you get the 0.751, and these are supposed to be more for like crow's feet.
Oh my gosh.
Crow's feet and some other things, like just like some wrinkles. I think stretch marks as well.
Okay, I'm barely even touching my face.
Okay, let's see this. Well, if you just push hard, it doesn't hurt as bad.
No, in the middle, it's easier than the sides. I told you. Okay, scoot over.
Get some light.
I feel like if we just... No! I like to think I have a pretty high pain tolerance, but this is awful. I think actually on the cheeks it will feel pretty good because with the 0.25 on your cheeks, you hardly feel it. Like I feel like I'm like just to feel anything. The forehead is the hardest.
Okay, so I went up
3, 4. I'm only doing it 5 times. They say you can go up to 12 times.
Wait, in each spot?
Yeah, I'm only doing 5.
Oh, I only did 1 time in each spot. I just did 1 roll across. You're doing 5?
Yes.
Okay.
5.
Start a little lower. Am I bleeding yet?
No? Come on, I want to see blood and tears. You are. There's blood. This is what we aim for. Ugh, it's grossing me out. Okay. I'm going to start up high. Oh. Ugh. Oh my gosh.
I'm going to sneeze. It's going to make me sneeze.
Agony.
It's making me sneeze.
Oh, this is not a fast process. We're gonna have to like power through so you guys don't have to watch us do this for 20 minutes. I am bleeding.
Hold on.
Look at this. Yep, there it is. Starting to bleed. All in the name of beauty, right guys? See, I do these things to myself so you don't have to do them to yourself. Alright. Yeah. I don't know, I think I'm pushing really pretty light though. I feel like I'm pushing hard but nothing crazy.
Yeah, not like crazy bleeding.
You don't need a lot of pressure.
I know, and I'm actually pushing pretty hard, and I'm not getting like a ton of bleeding like I've heard. Oh, that's sensitive. It's definitely sensitive. Certain spots are really sensitive.
I get why you're not supposed to do it on like broken skin.
I have heard, this is a rumor, but that potentially that this could help with beard growth. So we'll see. We'll find out.
You'd like anything that would help with beard growth?
Yes, if I could grow a better beard, 100%.
How often can you do this?
I've heard a couple different things. I read a couple different things. One of them being that you shouldn't do it more than once a month if with this. But I've also seen a week. So I'm not really sure what probably to be safe, maybe feel it out first, and then.
I guess depending on how hard you're doing it. Like, I feel like we could do it again in a week. I'm now going to put a 111 Skin Rose Gold Brightening Facial Treatment Mask on my face. Because now, since I use that dermaroller, my face will absorb the maximum amount of product. So currently my face is on fire, but this face mask will work nicely to rehydrate and restore my skin. I can get now why they use these for professional use. It hurts, it's not comfortable. But if you're looking for something to get rid of fine lines, acne scars, stretch marks, any sort of skin issue like that, then the 1mm is the way to go. Otherwise, stick with a 0.25 because it's good for skin absorption. But all in all, I just hope that this thing works. Again, we got the ZGTS Clinicare Treatment Solution. Found it on Overstock for like somewhere between 10 and 20 bucks. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I look forward to seeing you all soon. Bye!